Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400 and in this video I will show you how to boot this device from USB. So first, press the power button to turn on your laptop, then begin pressing the F12 button until you see the Preparing to Boot menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then you can release the F12 button and wait until the boot menu appears. Here you can navigate by pressing down and up arrow keys, select with enter, navigate to your generic SD card. You can choose one of the two partitions if you have two, like in my case. Usually I go with the first one. Press enter to boot your device from USB and then wait until your laptop is booted into your USB flash drive. And as you can see, for me, Windows 11 setup window appeared on my screen. To go to exit from here, just click X and yes. And that's how you boot your device from USB. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.